once Pandit ji used this line that Ajeeb hai Goa ke log. Did he ever use this statement, one, and also in what context?
See, what happened that in 1963, probably when the first election was held, 62, 63, when the first election was held, uh, when the entire India was voting for Congress, Goa voted for
For a regional
a
party.
local regional party, and that surprised him. He thought and he expected that since Congress had been fighting for liberation in 46, 48, 55, etc., 54, Lohia has been going there,
Yeah.
and there have been a lot of killings, etc. And then I, as a prime minister representing Congress, sent the forces, the military, to liberate Goa. Goa has been liberated. So he expected that the Congress will be voted into power. But instead of that, it was a local regional Maharashtrawadi Gomantak party that was voted into the power. That was a surprise to him. And maybe at the spurt of the moment, that might have been
This statement
spoken.
that we have heard.
Huh. So it was a political statement. It was not a
Huh.
slur on the
The
local
people,
Goan
yeah.
people. Absolutely no.
It is the
No.
political choice or political
Yes,
thought
yes,
process that
yes,
was in
yes.
question.